I do want to share this little episode of my first time ordering an item from Hermès.com and expecting the same, but it didn't arrive the same way that I was expecting. Hello guys, you're probably wondering why I am here again. I do have a box in here that is the orange box that I'm going to show you, and I just want to say really quickly that on my first luxury, besides in-depth reviews and also comparison, my passion is really just talk about luxury, as I have the experience of working in the industry for a very long time. And today we are going to be talking a little bit about the disappointing experience. I'm going to talk about it very objectively, basically just pointing out things that I see here and there. So without further ado, I do want to share this little episode with you guys of my first time ordering an item from Hermès.com and expecting the same, but it didn't arrive the same way that I was expecting. So let's get to it, and you are going to see exactly why I've decided to make a second video in the week. So this is the box that came in when you order things from Hermès online. Perhaps you did already, but this is the first online order I have ever purchased, and previously I've only bought from store. And let me just open it up. The signature require thing kind of kept me waiting for this 2 other days, which I had to just stay at home and make sure that I'm home to sign for this. So it's a little bit annoying, and I believe for items under a certain amount of value, they don't really use express shipping, so you just have to wait for like ground shipping. And voila, when you open it up, you see this beautiful logo right here. You guys have seen unboxing before, you know it's there. This is what I got, and the box did come wrapped. I didn't wrap it, so let me show you. So it is a very beautiful, in my opinion. It's a very nice Hermès towel that I decided to invest, if you will. We all know we pay overpriced for a lot of these luxury goods, and people might call me crazy for buying a blanket from Hermès, but honestly, I do think, you know, investing in something that is well made out of good material is something that I'm looking forward to have. Plus, I have owned some of their other home goods stuff where I've been using for a very long time, so towel is one of those things that I just really love the quality of. So a little story, when I received this, I showed it to my husband, and he felt the material on the towel, and he was just telling me that this is like any ordinary towel that he uses when he was growing up. And I was like, okay, thanks. It's not like I haven't come across things like this, but it is made out of 100% cotton, which I believe there are a lot of sustainable brands out there right now that are trying to make products like this. But I do appreciate the plushiness and the softness, and I like how clean it looks. However, this brings me to the next point. I was so excited to open up this towel, and when I did, I realized a lot of flaws on this towel, which I'm going to point it out to you guys right now. I think there are at least 4 areas where there had a major pulling. It just looked like it should not be packed and sent away to a customer who paid over $200 for a very simple cotton towel. And you can see that there's pulling over here, a very long one, very bad one, and there's a little one right next to it. And then if you inspect more, I'm pretty sure you can find more stuff. And honestly, this is just not the quality that I was expecting, especially when I've decided to spend maybe 20 times more the cost on a cotton towel at Hermès. This should not arrive like this. So I was really disappointed, and this is the first thing. The product obviously had some flaws, and I have another thing that I would like to point out, which you and I both know. If you are an Hermès fan, you live for those orange box unboxing moments. If you're not, then I don't know why you buy the brand. Maybe you don't care about the packaging. But I am someone who appreciates things from inside out, from the small details to the finer finish, everything. I appreciate the whole experience. And I have worked for brands who really care about creating these experiences, because that's what luxury brands is really for. With this box here, you can see that the top is like the same thing, right? It's like a really nice lid, and it's solid. And then I realized that these online shipping give you these folded boxes where I understand because it's easier for storage at the warehouse where they don't take up too much space. But literally, I can disassemble this box and I can just pull it flat and call it a day. This is the quality you get when you buy something from hermesonline.com. I guess this is not what I was expecting, and I can really care less about an outer box. It's just something that as a paying customer, I wouldn't want this kind of consistency. So if you have experienced this, let me know, because there's a reason why I made this video. I hope I'm not the only one that's complaining about these little details, but objectively speaking, the flaws are there. I don't think they should sell things like that. And also the boxes. How much more money does it cost you to make a solid shoebox? Come on. So that is the very short story that I'm sharing with you guys on the shopping experience. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever run into things like this, or if you think you can totally live with it, you don't care. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you don't mind my little rant here, but I will see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.